Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to the Luna Classic update today, and we're still consolidating. We're still at 10,000 department from 15th of April, so it's been 1 month and above. But I've actually, anytime when I look at Luna Classic chart patterns, I actually notice that when Luna Classic moves, it really moves, right? It doesn't really stop. Like, you may have that long consolidation, but once you start to get going, you really get going all the way to the upside. So I think the time is coming until the end. I think we're just about to see the end of this consolidation. At some point, of course, it's actually going to give up and start to do a real push to the upside. But one thing you want to or you must know is that on the weekly time frame we have an amazing closing yesterday. So what is this amazing closing all about? Well, it's actually an inverted hammer. So it actually wasn't a bad thing to close down. Of course, we did push up to 11,140, and then we came down and we made an inverted hammer. So hopefully this week, if we start to actually push back up again to 11672, we actually might have another week of a little bit of a boredom, and then from here start to basically get to push up all the way to the upside. I have this feeling that June is going to be a good month in cryptocurrency for not only altcoins but every single coin out there, hopefully. So that's all for the quick update. I'm going to see you in the next one. I love you.